Alright, I'm about to do it. Let's see what it looks like out here. Because it don't look like there ain't nothing. Alright. Whoa. Yeah, this is outside. This is why my DirecTV don't work. Luckily, I got my Timbs on. This is just my apartments that we coming out of right now. That's how real it is. I'm built for it tough though, so I should make it. Back up, because I can't make it up the hill. So I'm gonna give me some momentum. See if I can do it then. Go get your truck. Think I can do it? Can I do it? Wipe me down. Nigga, you know how I drive in the snow? Shit. Professional.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells, Batman smells. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells, Batman smells.
Everybody shake yo!
Jingle bells,
Shake yo!
jingle bells,
Everybody shake yo!
jingle bells, Batman smells.
I got it. Whoa, see, going down the hill is worse. Cause that's when you get out of control. So you gotta, you know what I'm saying? Stay on the brake. Don't press it hard. You press it hard, you're gonna fishtail. Fishtailing is bad. You don't know what fishtailing is? It's when the back of your truck is the front of your truck, basically. Now, Boo told me to go down Martin Luther King, so that's what I'm gonna do. Red lights, this time of year, don't really mean nothing. I just go. What, they gonna arrest me? No, they're not. They can't get to me. They just gotta dig their way out of their garage. Look at that. Home sweet home, home sweet home. I feel safe already. Basically, I'm here. You know what I'm saying? Just want y'all to know that I'm great. You know, I ain't scared of no stupid snow. You know, this is what I do. In the snow. Best friend at my mama's house.